Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Phantom Wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then you have to click on crypto option from the bottom bar. If you don't find crypto option in this area, you can click on this hub option, and from this window you have to scroll down, and under this wealth option you will find crypto. You have to click on it. Then you have to use this search bar to search for the specific currency that you want to transfer. So just click on it and then search for the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. We are transferring Bitcoin, so I will just select Bitcoin from here. Then you will see this similar screen. From here you have to click on this send button. After that you just have to enter the wallet address, so just click on this new button and then select the crypto wallet option from here. Then you just have to click on got it, and you just have to paste the wallet address from your Phantom wallet. So open up your Phantom wallet and then click on receive button. After that you just have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So we are transferring Bitcoin, so I will just select the Bitcoin from here and then just click on this wallet address. And once you click on it, your wallet address will be copied. Then go back to your Revolut app and then paste the wallet address in this area. And then you also have to make sure that you have selected the same network in your Phantom wallet and in your Revolut. Then you can also enter the name of your wallet. You can enter Phantom here and then click on continue. After that you just have to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your phone number. So just enter it. Then it will show you this pop-up window where it's saying that you are about to make your first withdrawal, and they are also saying that to make sure you're sending fund to right address, consider sending a small test amount first. So just start with the small amount first and then you can transfer your full amount. So just click on got it, and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on this send button, and then it will give you the summary of your transfer. So just double check your wallet address and the network, and once you do that, click on send button, and once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Revolut to your Phantom wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.